How many times have you hesitated to approach that stunning woman, paralyzed by the fear of rejection? How many nights have you spent alone, wondering why you can't seem to attract women the way you want? Why can't you shine among your female colleagues while some jerks do it effortlessly? I understand your frustration. I've experienced those moments of doubt and failure myself. But today, all that is behind me thanks to the revolutionary program Cloaked Arousal. Imagine walking into a bar and immediately spotting the women who are interested, instead of wasting your time on others. Imagine having the confidence to approach them without hesitation, knowing exactly what to say to captivate them. Imagine becoming irresistible to any woman, regardless of your appearance or status. Cloaked Arousal gives you the secret keys to mastering the art of seduction. In just 2 hours and 30 minutes, you will learn proven techniques to trigger attraction in women. No more awkward conversations and humiliating rejections. Say goodbye to the friend zone. Here are the main benefits of the Cloaked Arousal program. Regain of self-confidence. The program will help you regain the confidence to approach and talk to women. Increased attractiveness. Cloaked Arousal explains secret techniques for men to become more attractive and irresistible to women. Ability to seduce anywhere, anytime. The program will teach you easy methods to approach and seduce women in various settings, bars, clubs, gyms, etc. Improved seduction skills. Learn the signals to look for, the opening lines to use, and how to maintain a woman's interest. Enhanced sexual performance. You will finally know how to become a master in bed and sexually satisfy women. Yes, even that can be learned. Believe me. You will discover how to read the hidden codes of female body language, how to create an instant connection, and how to naturally make a woman desire you. No more torturing yourself trying to guess what she's thinking, you will know. Whether you're shy, introverted, or just lack experience, Cloaked Arousal adapts to you. Our method works regardless of your age, physique, or situation. Don't let fear stop you from living the love life you dream of. With Cloaked Arousal, you will become the kind of man that women notice and desire. Imagine the satisfaction of being able to seduce the woman of your dreams or to have multiple passionate encounters. All of this is within your reach. Thousands of men have already transformed their lives thanks to Cloaked Arousal. Why not you? Don't wait any longer to become the best version of yourself and live the life you deserve. Click now the official link below the video and become irresistible. Finally, discover the secret to seducing any woman, anywhere, anytime.